Fitbod is marketed as an AI-powered workout app that supposedly builds personalized gym plans and helps you reach your fitness goals faster. But the real question is, does it actually help your workout goals, or is it just another fitness app with fancy algorithms? Now, to be fair, workout apps can be incredibly useful. A structured training plan is often better than randomly choosing exercises every time you go to the gym. What it does well, creates personalized workout plans. This is Fitbod's biggest strength. The app generates workouts based on your fitness level, equipment, and training goals. Adapts as you progress. Fitbod adjusts future workouts based on completed sessions and track performance. Where the hype falls apart, it is not a personal trainer. This is the biggest issue. While Fitbod can generate workouts, it cannot fully replace expert coaching, form correction, or individualized guidance. The recommendations are only as good as the data entered. If your goals, equipment, or workout history are inaccurate, the plans may be less effective. Advanced lifters may outgrow it. Experienced athletes often prefer highly customized programming rather than algorithm-generated routines. So, does Fitbod actually help your workout goals? Short answer, yes, for many people. It can provide structure, progression, and workout variety, especially for beginners and intermediate gym goers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.